Hello friends, now we see the subtopic 8 that is called factorization method of chapter limits. Consider the limit of the type that limit extends to a fx upon gx. Then step number 1, in this case we have to factorize both fx and gx whenever substitution x equal to a assumes indeterminate form. Then we have to proceed step number 2, that cancel out common factor by stating the reason. And finally we go for step number 3, that substitute x equal to a in the remaining expression and evaluate the limit. So in this way we get answer by using factorization method. Thank you.